All right, y'all. All right, y'all. My bad. All right, y'all. What up? It's Rick with Westside Level. Today I got a technique for y'all. First, let's start off listening to the track. Alright, so just listening and looking to the track, we could see that all of our instruments are leveled out. We got a good level. We're at the point of the mix where we're ready to add an effect. So for this specific effect, we're going to try to make the 808, which is the low end of our track, bigger. What we're going to do is using the way we have everything set up. And if you don't know how to set up your session like this, refer to my video on session setup, on basic session setup. Then after you watch that video, watch my other video on advanced session setup, and you'll learn how to set up a session like this. But okay, so let's say we got the mix going like this. What I'm going to do is highlight my 808, which is this black one, and I'm going to assign it to one of these purple inserts. As we can see, this purple insert is going inside of this blue insert right here, and this 808 is also going into this blue insert. So both the purple and the black 808 is going into this blue insert. Just want to make that clear. But all I did just now is I highlighted my 808, which is the black insert. Then I went to my purple inserts that I created through session setup. And now I'm just assigning it by pressing the triangle at the bottom. Now we got a duplicate of our 808 on a whole. I didn't mean to talk over the music. We got a duplicate of our 808 over the whole track. So the effect is going to be to take this duplicate, add distortion to it, and get it really dramatically distorted, and then we're going to blend this distorted version of our 808 with our regular 808 to get a bigger sound. The perfect plugin that I use to do this is the Soundtoys Devil Loc, and you'll see once I start cranking up this crunch knob why I like this plugin. But let's go ahead and apply the effect. Now that I got it distorted to a level that I like, what I'm going to do is turn this knob all the way down and blend it in with the regular 808 to make it sound slightly bigger. So let's go ahead and play it in and then slightly put it in there. As you can see, I took it to just a low level of about 24 dB, and I got this black one sitting at its original level that we did before we even got into this video. Now with both of these combined, let's take a look at how large it is by looking at this blue insert. So we're peaking at 6 right now. Let's go ahead and hear a before and after without our parallel insert, which is this purple one. Okay, so go ahead, run this video back as many times as you need it, but this is the technique. You duplicate your 808, distort it, blend it in, and apply. And once this is applied to the mix, it'll give a much bigger sound to your 808. This video helped you out. Give it a like, subscribe, and share it to anyone else who you think gonna need this. Y'all be smooth. Gone.